What's up, guys? So I'm just repainting my jack. I've had this for 5 years now, and as you can see, it used to be green. I'm gonna be going back with probably a green similar to that, as close as I can. If not, I'll just find something closer to that. So I'm not getting everything. I do got to tape off the bolts, or the nuts I should say, there. Tape that off, that one. Tape that off. Take the handle out and stuff, but just using some galvanizing cold compound on this jack right now. So that's what it's gonna be like so far. Gonna hit some underneath right here right now. Yep. Let all this dry overnight. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay guys, so I painted my jack. I couldn't find any of the green that would match this, so I ended up just painting it black with some gloss black. Then I just cleared it, so right now I'm just letting it dry. So it went from lime green to black now. And I do have right there the top, but it has a nut welded to it, so I'm hoping I can find a new jack pad so I can put a new one on there with a cap. But on that, yeah, let me see if I can find one and I'll get back with you guys. Alright guys, so put the original jack on, or jack saddle on I should say. Grind it down as much as I can. It does need to be grinded some more. And yes, there is some more painting I have to do, but I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.